Their barns are destroyed. They've been leveled, so they have nothing. You can't take a horse into a shelter like you can a little puppy or a cat.
We've seen some bad things. Animals killed, animals in trees. I'm better off than a lot of these people that have lost everything they own.
People have asked me, why are y'all doing this? And my question is, why would we not? We're a family, we're a community. They've lost their jobs. They don't know how they're going to be able to feed their animals.
It's total devastation. The roads were impassable. We had to cut our way out.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
My 2 sons and myself all have animals. Every type feed is needed at this time.
Hard times does bring out the best in people. So it's been really miracle after miracle.